In this post-apocalyptic world, Storm Eunice is brewing with winds reaching up to 50 miles per hour in speed. My faction are fighting for survival as the self-proclaimed government have hoarded all resources, and our mission is to fight for these supplies, but we're not the only ones looking for it. My faction has located a stash of supplies, so I regroup with the main force. With the winds getting stronger and stronger, we need to fight off the enemy faction and take these supplies before the conditions get worse.
Where? Right there, right there. Oh, the wind! Just there as well, I think now. I don't think you got me, mate. No, he didn't. Careful left.
Right here, this way.
Come here. Run. Quick. Forever. Where's your arm, bud? You got it. Push him.
Over the ridge, 11 o'clock, in the white containers are the enemy supplies. We're deep in enemy territory, so we need to take as much as we can and get out as fast as we can before the enemy faction realises what's going on. With the supplies raided, enemy forces are coming from all directions. We need to withdraw from the enemy territory as quickly as we can.
Yeah, we present it. Go. He's down. One more. Next to down opponent. Watch my BBs. There. Come on, Eunice, help me out here, darling. So there. down, he's down, he's being medic.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Eunice. Left, left. Good shit.
After a grueling fight in the woodlands, we were able to overpower the enemy forces and eventually escape enemy territory with the supplies successfully. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. It was a really tough day in the storm. It was so hard to hit anyone further than 10 meters. But as always, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next one.